So the one who slipped past our sentries and silenced the drive core? That was you?
Yes, that's me.
I need to get back to my ship. What is it you want with me?
Main warp drive generator has a serious plumbing leak, and you are going to repair it or suffer the consequences. Guards, escort him to the engine room. If he gives you any trouble, you know what to do.
But I haven't worked with warp drives in years. I don't think that's...
Move.
Hey, metalheads, cool off. Surprise, splash attack! Take this! Get down! System's failing!
System's failing! Stay down.
Whoa!
Whoa, I didn't see that coming.
You guys are incredible!
Told you we'd have your back.
Nothing shorts out a trooper like a good soak.
I owe you all big time.
Now let's get out of here! Move, move, move! Alarms are tripping the whole deck! Keep running! Overhead! On it! Go through! It's closing behind us.
Here's the door. Keep those soakers up.
Got your back, Captain. Ready to make a splash.
We're in. Keep it quiet.
Smells like ion coolant. At least the alarm stayed dead.
Whoa! Check that out.
Looks like a dune hauler only built to fly.